This footage was captured by a dashcam during a normal drive on what seemed like an ordinary day. Traffic was moving as usual, and nothing appeared out of the ordinary. But within seconds, a small mistake turned into a serious accident. What you are about to see is not meant to shock or entertain. It is shared to remind us how fragile life can be on the road. In this moment, speed, distraction, or lack of awareness played a critical role. A single decision, made too quickly, led to consequences that could have been avoided. Many road accidents happen not because of bad roads, but because of human error and impatience for cars' failure to follow traffic rules. Dashcam footage like this helps us understand how accidents really happen in theory but in real life. Let this video be a lesson. Always keep us safe. Distance safety, focused respect, traffic laws, and never underestimate the dangers of the road. Driving is a responsibility only for your own life, but for everyone around you. Stay alert, drive safely, and remember, arriving late is always better than not arriving at all.
Y 7Y29911.
What do you mean? You tried to hit me! Dude, hey, look up your license plate. Look.
Road's got 4 lanes to drive slow. That's right.
What the heck?
What the fuck was that?
What's your problem? What are you doing?
What are you doing? Go! What is he doing?
I'm left to you would be happier with someone.
What's up? What?
Snowball. That was the December gig. I'm talking inside the Harriet. We did country songwriters in the round.
One time, for example, and you smack him back, would that allow this to give you the way to stop? I don't think the guy's ever to go. Not even to protect yourself against it. No, what is it? You think human being is a lot of backlash right now for this. It was posted about 8 minutes. God damn! Double plus up.
Like I was, but I fell out of the bus. She had steel colored painted nails, like not silver steel. Oh, yeah. They were listening to Bark of the Moon by...
You're on the wrong side of the road. You're on the wrong side of the road. Go. Go. Risky sport anyway. Yeah, because we in there and just be like, oh my god, what if I ever make money, like I'm gonna come in and buy some shit. And then a few years ago, now I have made money. I can't afford. I made money. Go on.